cool box.
Guys, and we're back. Another Jimmy Bean walked in through this bird box you about to open.
It is. It's a kind of nice little bird box. So 15-year, 111 proof. This is the second release. So second release of the lineage. There you go. There you go. So this is Fred No and his son Freddie No.
Oh, they're in the back of the box.
Yeah. They're
etching.
Yep. So that's kind of why they called it lineage. So father-son collaboration, which is pretty cool. Gotta love that.
It looks.
Let me make sure I know. I think the top probably slides out. Maybe not.
So, oh no. That thing is in
does.
there. Oh, it does.
I think. Might be a release or something.
It's gonna take him.
This might be a longer video than what you wanted.
You did something.
Oh,
you
it's
pulled
got a
it.
magnet.
Oh, holding it in?
A
No.
magnet. Oh, man, that's what I thought it was going to break. Oh, that's quality.
There you go.
So does that...
Quotes?
Quotes. Let me see the quotes, man. Can you-
Read. You're the better reader than I am.
When I look back at my legacy with Jim Bean, I will always consider this a proud moment. Working with my son to create something new and premium for my family's brand. And that was Fred. And then it looks like Freddie says, I've been learning our family traditions from Dad for years. So I'm honored to finally collaborate with him on what I think is a really unique expression and celebration of our family's heritage.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Very cool, people. Very cool.
And both of them are really great guys. Super humble, like down to earth. Like, and most of the legacy distillery guys are just freaking awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely dude. It's like rare
thing is-
earth magnets.
They put some thought into that packaging.
Hey, that thing is in there, man. But the box is gorgeous. It's one of those
this-
things that you want
this is
to.
nice, like
That's a
wooden.
gorgeous what you call this? This glass?
Yeah, it's almost like a decanter
That's what I was
bottle.
going to say. I didn't want to say the wrong thing, man.
You think that twists off, or that's probably a cork?
Oh no, that's the
Where's
twist, man. What's up with the twist thing, man? That's the thing.
It's a beam thing, obviously.
It's got some good wood. That's some good wood, though, man.
Does it have a seal?
No seal.
Weird.
No gasket either.
I know.
What does that mean?
It's aggressive. You don't know what a gasket is?
Man, that's what I'm here to learn, bro. I don't know
Stops
what
air.
Oh, stops
it's
air.
not whiskey related. I mean,
Oh, it's not. So when you put something on a bottle,
he can be so smart in some areas.
ask me about the human body. I got all
The
years.
human body,
The dogs. Branding, marketing.
Nutrition, digestion.
You're on point.
When it comes to this madness, I go, wow, take me something,
Well,
please.
a gasket is
An
it's like
O-ring.
a little piece, or like to prevent it from leaking, to form a tighter seal.
So maybe they figured something out, so they don't need a gasket.
All right, we're going.
Let's go.
Keep it whiskey. Come on.
Keep it whiskey.
Oh man, I love it here.
So this was $250 price point.
Woo!
That's up there.
$250. I'm already.
Now, I
smelling
actually
licorice,
wasn't gonna buy one of these, but the nice guys in line that I was telling you about, they were like, "Hey, the Lineage One, it's like a top bottle for them."
Oh,
like, and they were naming all the stuff that it was beating, including like King of Kentucky, and like big bottles. And the Lineage One was their favorite, so I was like, all right, we'll get it. So maybe this is one that's overhyped. I don't know. Beautiful presentation. 111 proof, 15 years old. I mean, you would anticipate this bottle, this presentation, the amount of effort that they put into it, and putting both their names, pictures, quotes, everything about it.
You would hope
If it's my brand and I'm putting all that about myself on there, I would hope that it's pretty dang good.
One of the best things you got.
Man.
I like the nose. Nose is solid.
Well, that's the
Tip-
thing.
that's more of the Jim Beam profile than the
bowling
pin.
ball. Yeah,
the bowling ball.
Bowling ball.
See, here's if you start paying attention to what he says, it's like, what are you talking about? I love the nose, actually. I kind of want to let it sit for a second.
Now, when you let it sit and you know that it's, we talked about the neck pour in one of the videos, right, Chance?
Mm-hmm.
You know what?
So the neck pour is overhyped, in my opinion. A lot of people talk about neck pores and it's bad because that's a neck pore. It's like no. Like it doesn't work on it. Like that's
Look,
not
every
everything.
now and then Tim gets anal. Now he's anal about this, the proper pour.
Well, these
pouring
are
out-
facts.
No, not about that part. About how far they fill the bottles at the Blendery sometimes. And you get a bottle every now and then that's got a little bit more pour in
Well,
it.
now we're talking about fill level.
That we're talking about. That's my point. So when you get in there and you crack that first little part,
Dig the nose.
it's not always the best tasty, even though you know it's good. Once it gets to about here, you're like, okay, there's the flavors I was looking for, right? But the neck port,
What?
I can get why it's hype, because good whiskey's good whiskey. It's gonna taste the same. If it went in the bottle as is, it should taste the same.
Yeah, but a lot of times just that little bit of air really helps it open up. Is that even on?
No, not the tea. This is on.
Oh, okay.
I did 3 to 4 minutes on the big one or the phone version, so they could be mad at us, and I'm gonna put go to watch on YouTube, so it cuts off right before we do something important.
You're good at that. You're good at that.
Yeah, I mean, the difference between a neck pour and not a neck pour is just letting it get some air, right? And you can
There
do
you
that.
have it.
You can do that in a glass.
Chance taught us about aerating and agitating the whiskey just by turning that booger a little bit. I like it though. I didn't like the nose at first, but the flavor I liked before I even let it open up a little bit.
Okay, that's special.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's good. That's good, and I probably drank
the finish.
no Jim Beam ever.
It's still going.
Oh, I drank some Jim Beam before, but not to this extent.
A lot of times when people ask my opinion on the whiskey, I usually take a while. Like I take a little bit, which isn't great for videos and whatever, but like I'm analyzing what the whiskey's doing. I'm taking new breaths of air, and sometimes that takes 30 seconds. Sometimes that takes a minute, especially for a complex whiskey like this. It's like even when I'm talking, I'm still thinking about it. I'm still counting in my head like how long it's going that I can still taste it. So a lot of times he rushes me. Like I take a sip. And like I haven't even swallowed it yet, and he's like, "Oh, what do you think, man? What do you think?" It's like, dude, I'm like 45 seconds away from even thinking anything
Gotta
about
develop. It's still going. It's still going.
That's good.
So
That's
they weren't
real
lying.
good. I'm saying that's a buy even at 250. I might even buy a second one of that. I really like that.
Them
It
guys
was
from
that
Tennessee
good.
might know something.
Who's that?
It's
Yeah.
buck, man.
Oh, bucks a bucking.
Well,
Bucks
guys,
a bucking.
I thought y'all went to bed or something.
No, man, we working, man.
He's been going hard in the paint for the last like 16 hours.
Watch this, Buck. You thirsty?
Guys, we're ranking the bottles in the next video. We'll probably open with maybe 2 more.
How are you still alive?
Oh no, he's got.
Hey, Bob, this is
Good.
nice.
Is that the lineage?
Yes.
15?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's something. You thirsty?
Hey, did you try that Green River decanter?
No.
It's over
Oh,
there.
yeah, on the table.
It's over there.
Cool. I'm going to take mine into the Volstead tomorrow night for Suzanne. We should take some cool stuff up there and drink.
Who's Suzanne?
It's a cool little
Lady, he knows in
All right,
Kentucky.
enough. We on camera still.
Yeah, we're taking them.
Now, Jim Beam is a
You smell
must
fucking
buy.
cigar now.
I know. Jesus
Come on,
Christ,
man.
We're in the smoking room.
Yeah, but we ain't doing no smoking in here.
Wait till we're done with all these things, or put it off to the side and
I'm
then
done.
Yeah,
light it
It's
up
like
later.
down to the brim anyway.
It gets,
But this is a buy.
this is a
Yes.
must grab per se if you can.
Definitely.
I would do it if
Is
it's
it
in your
only
price
KBF
point. No, I don't think so. I don't know how many they made of this, but if 250 is in your price point, I would say grab that bottle.
Good guys. Well, in another video that we'll sit down with Tim and even our guy Chance over here, I want them to break down the importance and I guess the non-importance of price, value, quality, integrity, consistency, and all those things.
It's got a good balance of oak and age, and not overly nutty.
We
like-
say this different times. Hey, we got to run that back. It's open.
Y'all
So
open it?
yeah.
Yep.
Go ahead and try it, my
Yeah,
friend.
and I think you can get this at the distillery as well. I think distillery and KBF is the only 2 places you can get this.
Okay. Well, guys, as always, we appreciate you watching. I had to give me one more swig of it per
Yeah,
se.
you
Ah,
did.
you like it?
That's right. I need to revisit it.
That's the second batch.
Just to make sure, people,
Yeah, two.
at the end of the day, keep it whiskey.